Hi, this is Maria. I'm going to show you how to download the Jenny Gollan Designs Vertical Digital Undated Planner, this one here, the cute planner. So if you have purchased your item using the Etsy shop, that you cannot download from the app. You have to go into the website etsy.com and log in, click You, Purchases and Reviews, and that gets you to everything that you've purchased, okay? So I'm going to select the item that I want, the order that I want, okay, and I'm going to download those files. Okay, I ordered a bunch of stuff. This particular item came with several pieces. I'm going to download the planner itself. And there's my planner. Make sure it downloaded everything. It's showing me that it's page 1 of 88. I'm going to click the square with the up arrow and save it to wherever you want. I would save it somewhere permanent so you have a nice clean copy. In case you screw up, you can always go back and re-download a nice clean copy. You can always go back in Etsy, of course, but this way you have it on your files. So in my cloud, I have a folder called Journal Originals. I would click there and add it. I'm not going to do it here because I already have this one downloaded, but you would simply click Add and it would show up there. Okay. Now once you've downloaded it, you'll go into Goodnotes and click the plus, import from wherever it is that you stored it. There's my cute planner. Click here and it will download it again for you. Now if you see, I already had it here. Where is it? I already had it downloaded, but if for some reason I screwed that up, I just got a brand new clean copy with everything working in case I have messed up. You can simply turn your iPad the other way. I'm not going to turn it because it'll screw up my video. Alright, so let's go back to my Etsy. It comes with several PNG files, so those are stickers. Let's download. That's a sticker file. Click the up arrow, and those I will save directly to my camera roll. You're going to go back and do that with every one of these sticker files. Up arrow and save to camera roll. Then you go into Goodnotes, open your planner, pick a blank page, long press, image, photos, because that's where I saved it. Pick up that last one, and there's your sticker sheet. Thanks for watching.